guys, so today is Wednesday, October 30th, and it's not your normal Wednesday. So today we are actually skipping school to go see Ellen's Halloween show. So I don't know if you guys know how Ellen works, but basically like to go see her show, it's free, but it's a raffle and you basically just gotta like put your names in and hope you essentially win a ticket. So we actually won 4 tickets and all my friends were gonna go see Ellen. It's currently about 9:30 a.m. right now, and to check in for the show you have to get there by 1, except we're trying to get there by like 11 because we want to make sure we get a good seat. And because it's the Halloween episode, you're supposed to come in costume and be as creative as possible, so I gotta get ready for this. My costume is Rise and Shine Kylie. If you guys have seen that meme, I'll put it right here. You've definitely seen it.
Rise and shine.
So basically I'm just like dressing up as Kylie with a little sunshine headband, and then my friend Jordan is dressing up as Stormy. Because of being Kylie, I gotta like beat my face and wear a black wig, full glam outfit, so should be kind of fun. But I gotta get ready in like an hour-ish, hopefully less time, so let's get on to that. Hopefully people can actually tell I'm Kylie Jenner and not just like dressing up in bad drag or something like that. I don't know. I think that the sunshine headband I made is really gonna help because like people will see like it's the meme. Also, I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna actually wear heels because like it's a lot of waiting around and it might just be like super uncomfortable waiting in heels, but also it'll just like pull the costume together, so I don't know. We'll see. I'm trying to make my eyebrows as dark as possible with what I have just because like I don't want it to look super weird that I'm wearing a black wig and I have like light eyebrows. I'm gonna try to go over it with some like dark eyeshadow. I just don't have like an eyebrow brush, so hopefully this doesn't look super messy. Okay, and here is the makeup. I don't have like a lip liner or any kind of good lipstick, so I tried to like just overline with normal lipstick. Didn't really work out that well. I don't know though, hopefully people still get the idea. But now I gotta get, actually I should probably change before I put the wig on. Let me show you guys the outfit I have planned. It's not really much of an outfit, it's just like a dress. So I'll put a little clip of the video here, but she's wearing like this Chanel sweater dress. I found a very similar, just plain black sweater dress off Amazon, and I was gonna like put like some Chanel C's on it, just kind of fake it. Unfortunately though, Michaels did not have the things I needed to do that, so I'm just doing this plain black dress. And then also she's wearing like this huge diamond necklace, so I got this fake one off Amazon for like $5. And what else? Oh, my headband. My headband is so ratchet, but this is my sunshine headband. I made it from construction paper and some packaging tape. This is really so bad. Oh my god, I hope no one sees it too closely. From a distance it looks okay. So this is the dress. As you can see, it's actually pretty similar, besides the fact that it's not, you know, Chanel. But now I can put on my wig right here. It's just like this really bad black wig I got from Amazon. It's gonna look so bad, guys. I tried it on last night. It just looks really fake. Hopefully though, if I can just like pin my hair back enough and like get it to really stay, it'll be okay. It didn't even come with a wig cap, so I just gotta really make sure my hair is secured. I'm gonna look crazy. Oh my god. Is this even gonna fit on my head? I would have gotten a better wig. I just got this like on such short notice. This is the only one Amazon Prime could do. Okay, and let me put on the headband. Okay, I think this side looks slightly better, so this will go in front. And Sunshine Kylie, here we go. Oh, also I gotta put my necklace on. It would definitely be better if I had a Chanel dress, but you know, we're working with what we got. This is, oh my god, I have to like walk across campus like this. Okay, so I know what color I will never be dyeing my hair. Okay, so this is the finished costume. I look a little ridiculous with the black hair. But you know what? You gotta do what you gotta do. I want Ellen to notice me. Also, I think I'm just gonna go with these sneakers. I don't think it like takes away from the outfit that much, and I think if I wore heels, I would just be really uncomfortable, so we're doing this. And to make up for the fact that I'm not wearing a Chanel sweater dress, we got some other drip going on here. The only nice thing I own. Rise and shine, guys. Okay, time to venture out into the real world. Hopefully I don't see anyone in the lobby of the dorm. That'd be a little awkward. Can I film? What is that?
Banana.
Oh my god. I love it.
So much. Like I can't wear it through campus.
I can't wear it. I'm wearing this through campus.
The dress, like everything looks so good.
I was gonna make it like Chanel, but they didn't have like little C's on it, but
It looks
okay,
good.
that's why I have this. And Madison's a gorilla. Jordan's my Stormy. Where's my baby?
There's Radford.
Do you have the mask?
Oh, do I? Oh no.
Adorable.
Thank you.
Oh my god, Stormy.
Oh, that's good.
Oh my god, wait, that's so cute.
So I don't hold it. I have a bobby pin.
Aw.
And my Astroworld merch.
I love it. My child. It's gonna be a fun day, guys. Oh, you need to do your TikTok dance in the audience.
No, no, because you know how like Twitch comes up to everyone and like
Yeah.
dance? I'm gonna be like,
Oh, you're gonna go off.
Yeah, he's still practicing.
I was practicing.
Okay, little Chipotle pit stop.
You know it, vlog. You know it.
Love having to walk in public like this. You guys all look normal. I look crazy. Let's go. Do you think Ellen goes to this Chipotle?
Maybe. Hey guys, I'm Stormy. What's up?
Got the Astroworld. Oh my god, the Yeezy.
Uncle shoes on. My dad's shirt. Astroworld. You know what's
I
up?
love that.
Your
Oh, your hair. Artist entrance. Bye, Ellen.
Oh my.
She's probably not even there yet. Everyone's in costume.
The hot dog people, I really feel that.
Okay, these costumes are not as good as I thought.
Oh.
I need to fix my hair.
Lily.
I can't even look at myself right now.
What a squad. There's really not that many people here, honestly.
We're ready to go.
I can't get used to myself with black hair.
Outfit of the day.
Donate to the Gorilla Fund.
If you are a guaranteed ticket holder, you should be sitting on the benches right now.
That's a nice child. You still there? I'm so much shorter than you. I should have like heels or something. My baby is like 6 inches taller than me.
Wow, this is like good though.
What?
It's a good win. It's like exactly Kylie.
It looks just like her hair.
Yeah.
For this part, it's a little rise and shine, rise and
In the
shine.
last vlog I sang that too.
Oh yeah. Rise and shine, rise and shine.
Awesome. We have our highly talented DJ Twitch here today. The very handsome and long-haired man, Jason Momoa. And of course, the stunning Miss Ellen DeGeneres is here.
Ellen, we're coming. Guys, how you feeling? Excited?
Yes, ready to go.
Jordan's scared.
I'm ready.
Kind of just a lot of waiting, but I think once we get in, it'll be fun. I think this is where they have like the riff-raff room in the show. Okay guys, so we have now gone from the waiting room in the garage and we went to a little hallway and then they walked us in here. And I think this is the riff-raff room.
Yep,
Are we riff-raff?
we're riffing and rapping.
And we've been here for like 3 hours, so I don't know how much longer it's gonna be, but it's gonna be a good time. Getting the whole, wow, my wig looks
We're lucky
so
number
fake.
50.
52. I feel like we're pretty low. That's good, right? Be towards the front, maybe. Said we can't film inside, and I'm not gonna sneak back because I don't want to get like arrested or something. They would arrest me. But yeah, we'll see like the before and after, and then I'll show some clips from the actual show. Maybe we'll get on TV. That'd be really cool.
We're just excited to get the Halloween show started. Photography whatsoever on the soundstage.
you. Before we start, I want to say my eyes are up here. My costume this year is a tribute to Cardi B's character in the movie Hustlers. I can't be Cardi B. I'm Cardi E.
Hey guys, so we are out of Ellen. It's about 4 o'clock right now. So the show was only like an hour, but we got there at like 11:30. It's just like a lot of waiting and all that. By the time this goes up, you guys will have already seen the show. But she dressed up as Cardi B in what's Hustlers, the big fake boobs, all that stuff. And so yeah, she just had, it was Cardi B and Jason Momoa. Those were the guests. And there was like, she played one game, but honestly it went by really fast. Like the show felt really short. And every commercial break they have the audience stand up and you have to like dance and stuff and act really energetic. So that was kind of interesting to see. Like they were like, okay, clap now, cheer. It's like the, you know, the cue cards. It's like they're doing that, but like just like, okay, now be happy.
I kept looking at him, he's like,
come on, be louder. It was a lot of energy, but it was a really fun experience. If you guys are ever in LA, you should enter the lottery. Jordan's the one who got us 4 tickets. Her luck is insane. She's meeting Kendall Jenner in a couple days. She won a contest. I need to take this off, this wig.
I could not have worn a headband that whole time.
It's not even the headband. I can't feel it on top of the wig.
oh my gosh. The bigger, it's like Hannah Montana moment.
Oh, my head just feels like naked now. It was like heavy. It's a lot of hair. Looking a little bit more normal now. But anyway, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see some more vlogs. I had a lot of fun filming this, and also of course going to Ellen was super fun. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.